In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to install the standard TeamTrace application on macOS. Begin by logging into your TeamTrace account on the web platform. Once logged in, navigate to your Profile section and click on Download Apps. Under the Download TeamTrace Desktop App tab, you'll find two available files for macOS: a .dmg file, which is the standard Mac installation format, and a .zip folder containing a .app file. For this tutorial, we'll start with the .dmg download. On the download screen, locate the .dmg file. This reflects the latest release. Once downloaded, double-click the file to open it. Since this app is side-loaded on macOS, you'll need to drag and drop it into the Applications folder. Once that's done, you can either double-click the application directly from this screen or navigate to your Applications folder and search for TeamTrace to find it there. Double-click on it to begin the installation. A system prompt will appear, letting you know the app was downloaded from the internet and asking if you'd like to proceed. Click Open to confirm and complete the installation. The app will now launch. Go ahead and log in and start your tracker. Note that before tracking activity, screenshots, live screen, and other features become accessible on the web platform, you'll need to configure and check a few system permissions on your Mac. Once logged in, a system pop-up will appear prompting you to allow screen and system audio recording permission for the application. Click Open System Settings and you'll be redirected to the Screen and System Audio Recording tab under Privacy and Security. You'll find the TeamTrace application already listed here. Click the toggle, enter your system's admin password, and click Modify Settings. A system prompt will appear once more, asking you to quit and reopen the application. Click on it and the TeamTrace standard application will be relaunched. Next, open Settings on your system and go to General. From there, click on Login Items and Extensions. You'll see that TeamTrace has been added as an authorized application on your Mac OS. Now navigate to Privacy and Security and select Accessibility. TeamTrace will be listed here as well, with the required accessibility permission already granted. Finally, while still under Privacy and Security, go to Location Services. TeamTrace will already appear in the list. Toggle the switch to allow location access. Make sure all three permissions are enabled to ensure accurate tracking. Now, for the .zip installation method. Once downloaded, double-click the .zip folder to extract its contents. Then double-click the .app file to launch it. A similar system prompt will appear, asking if you'd like to open the app downloaded from the internet. Click Open to proceed. Log into your account and follow the same permission setup process we covered earlier to get everything configured.